welcome all to Lock Unlock Series 2020. This entire series of Lock Unlock, I am only going to talk and I have been talking only to people and topics related to issues, challenges, struggles, ways, initiatives, learning, and so many social causes which started during the lockdown and till date it is continuing. The current situation across world has so badly affected everyone's psychology and has affected mental health also. For some, it affected knowingly, disappeared unknowingly, I would say, and for some, it affected knowingly and existed knowingly with them and also to associate it with them. Everyone associated with them, in fact. I am Priyanka, and today I have a guest from Chandigarh, Punjab, sweet, stunning, with whom we will talk on a very special topic in how she has been so instrumental during lockdown. So let us all welcome Swati Sadana from Chandigarh. Swati is by profession a psychologist. She counsels, guides, educates, and mentors to patients or clients who comes to her with psychological issues and disorders. She has been a guest speaker in many schools and colleges to talk on this particular topic. She, at such a young age, is author of book Parenting Makeover and is working currently as a psychologist with Diversity Clinic Mohali. So, hello Swati.
Hello, Priyanka. Thank you for having me on Lock Unlock series.
My pleasure, Swati. So, Swati, let us know about your journey of life so far before we start talking to you more on the psychological disorders during the lockdown.
Yeah, right. Sure. Let's go ahead.
Yes, Swati. So, how did you started? From where have you done your schooling? How is life so far?
So, life so far has been pretty much with as the ups and downs, as we all say, that if we are alive, ups and downs are very much realistic enough part of our life. So,
Correct.
indeed, it had been similar to me as well. So,
Hmm.
my approach towards all the ups and downs had been very realistic so far now. That if the reality demands an action, then of course my action is there. So, having said that, as per my 11th standard, where I first met psychology in my life,
Okay.
where I got introduced with the subject called psychology, that was the moment I realized that
Hmm.
no matter I was very good in computers and arts, I knew that my niche is going to be psychology because something I had in me always, even before I knew psychology was a subject. So my journey started in 11th grade and it followed from there to my graduation days, to my post graduation, and then I took the specialization in counseling psychology. And then it's been now a decade of being in this field of psychology as a
Right.
psychology student and as well as a psychologist. Hello. Yeah, I thought I
Okay.
lost you. Yeah. Yeah.
So I have heard and seen that very few learn and pursue psychology as their main subject, and there's always a story or an incident which is behind a human being to pursue this as a specialization of subject or as a career. So is this true,
Right.
and how true is this to an extent?
Well, I think so that as per the generation grows and as per the time grows, these facts keep on changing. So basically, these are just the facts, but they're again those facts that always keep on changing as per what the need is. And
Right.
as far as I am concerned, I
Hmm.
did my schooling when I was in 2008 and 10, right?
Okay.
And it's almost being a decade
Yeah.
now that at that time psychology was very much was still something that was part even before my era. It was not that, acceptable.
True.
But if we talk about 1 decade,
Hmm.
being passed now, today the demand of psychology is immense. Today, every other child is now feeling that we wish to become a psychologist. Now they're taking the course and they're thinking that it's easy, or maybe it's something we can go well with it, because the future upholds a lot of opportunities for psychologists, considering the stress levels that are increasing in everyday life. But I guess the taboo
Correct.
is one part, or the stress is one part,
Hmm.
but the responsibility as a psychologist is very important. So, with the credibility, by taking care of your clients, their emotional wellness,
Hmm.
and their very sensitive concerns, I guess it brings a lot of,
Right.
responsibility altogether. So, I feel this altogether is bringing a lot of opportunities for the world today.
Correct. Correct. So not necessarily that there has to be an incident and then a particular person would pursue this as a career. So gone are those
No,
days.
not at all, I guess. Yeah, gone are those days,
Hmm.
but yeah, there are still some people who feel, like I said, that I also knew that maybe even after being a, computer topper or art topper, I
Hmm.
knew that the niche within me, I knew that's more towards psychology. So even when I topped
Correct.
in other subjects, I went off with psychology. Yeah, so that's more of a
Right.
personal, yet at the same time a future oriented choice. Yeah.
Hmm. True. True. So which particular subject do you specialize in psychology? Is there any particular subject?
Uh, so basically, throughout the graduation and post graduation,
Hmm.
all the the students are exposed to all the spheres of psychology, all the disciplines of it. So we study almost
Okay.
everything, and by end of the masters, we then have to decide that whether we wish to go with, which subject we wish to go ahead and take
Okay.
specialization. So
Correct.
I took specialization in counseling psychology. That is why I did my postgraduate diploma in guidance and counseling from Punjab University, which is a
Okay.
recognized university. And that made me a counseling psychologist as per the government understanding.
Correct. Correct. So, in your opinion, how has this pandemic or lockdown affected people across the world? Where, if I ask specifically about their mental health,
Hmm. So I feel pandemic had been a very, I would say, new thing, and at the same
hmm.
time very challenging for a lot many of us, because it brought nothing but just dullness, as
Hmm.
ascribed by all the people around there. Dullness in terms of no physical activity, in terms
Hmm.
of maybe that activity which they are not used to. So people
Correct.
most probably tagged it as dull time, or the time where they had nothing to do, or maybe the time where they couldn't just experiment with their life because they are limited to their own house.
True.
But then I feel pandemic for other people had been very experimental. They got
Yes.
time to experiment with something. They got time to experiment with their own self, maybe
Correct.
introspect a little more
Hmm.
about where their life is going and how they wish to go about it. So there have been many phases and many ways the pandemic has been defined by all the people across the world.
Hmm. True.
Yeah.
So, what could be the reasons why this pandemic would have affected many of us?
Um, See, the idea is affect is a very big word.
Okay.
I feel when I'll give you a very important example.
Hmm.
Let's say that if we are hungry, okay,
Yeah.
so everything which is around us, that
Hmm.
eatable things, we will tend to feel that yeah, we can eat this, we can eat that. But if
Hmm.
we are ourselves very complete, we don't feel hungry, nothing would trigger us.
Hmm.
Agree? So
Yes.
what happened was, when the people in
Hmm.
lockdown, they
Hmm.
sat at their home, right? They suddenly realized everything that they were trying to fill themselves up
Hmm.
now is not anymore there, and they felt incomplete. They felt
Oh,
shaken down, that
correct.
now what,
Now
you
what?
know अब कहाँ जाएं, पार्टी
हाँ,
नहीं है कर सकते,
हाँ,
दोस्तों से नहीं मिल सकते,
क्या करें हम?
खाना नहीं बाहर का खा सकते, शॉपिंग नहीं कर सकते, अब क्या करें?
क्या करें?
So now they got a very big reality check कि ये सब चीजें जो एक सपोर्टिव सिस्टम बन रही थी उनकी लाइफ की, वो
सही।
सपोर्ट एक डिल्यूजनल तो नहीं कहूंगी, बट एक
हाँ,
तरह से ऐसा सपोर्ट था जो कि टेम्पररी था।
टेम्परेरी।
एक
करेक्ट।
असली सपोर्ट तो हर इंसान के अंदर ही होता है।
एग्जैक्ट।
कहते हैं ना कि हम आए हैं अकेले ही और
तो
अकेले ही
जाना भी
जाएंगे।
अकेले है, हाँ।
तो बेसिकली एक इंसान अगर खुद को अपने अंदर को कंप्लीट खुद से नहीं कर पा रहा, और
हाँ।
वो कोशिश कर रहा है कि मैं अपने वर्क करके अपने आप को कंप्लीट कर लूं, थोड़ा पैसा कमा के अपने आप को कंप्लीट कर लूं, थोड़ी शॉपिंग करके अपने आप को कंप्लीट कर लूं, ऐसे बहुत सपोर्ट एरियाज मिलेंगे। पर
हम्म,
जिस दिन वो नहीं होंगे, फिर वही वापस है ना, कहानी तो वही है,
सही।
कंप्लीट तो नहीं हुए। So
हम्म,
basically, I guess that was the most important reason people got affected. They were left with no choice to complete themselves. And then all they had was their own self with their vulnerabilities, with their own fears, which
correct.
they were trying to, get better with. So that affected, but in short, every human had a different way to deal with it. They
Yeah,
still became, much more introspective about it, that what needs to be done, what not.
true.
Some got on a different level of understanding. So there were mix of people, mix of experiences, mix of understanding, and the mix of ways how to deal with that pandemic. So that was the reason people got affected, truly, in one word, if I say.
Correct. Correct. True, true. So, what kind of inquiries did you got, or what specific kind of clients did you got during this phase? And I'm sure still you must be getting a lot of inquiries, that they are
Yeah,
not able to deal with such kind of situation.
true. Actually, even before lockdown, I had my sessions. So one of the
Okay.
most important change that happened was that most of my face-to-face, sessions converted
Hmm.
to online then. And
Right.
the ones which were already happening on online, they stayed the same, and
Okay.
I was already consumed with that. So considering that I was consumed, I
Hmm.
got a lot many queries which were coming from all across India, and they were large in number, considering the domestic violence that started happening because people were at home, right?
Right. Correct.
Considering
Correct.
the anger issues that started happening because people were at home, as
Hmm.
I said, they had no support from outside world, and then they started fighting from their inner. They couldn't
Oh,
pacify it,
yes.
right?
True. True. True.
Everything came up, so the anger started happening. So I had a lot of clients having anger issues. I had a lot of clients who were, afraid of the fact
Hmm.
what they will do. They lost money, right? They
Ah.
couldn't afford the sessions. So there were that sort of inquiries also. There were
Hmm.
those sorts of inquiries also with the kids who started feeling so bored, so irritated at home, because at the
Correct.
end of the day, the kids want nothing but just their fellow friends to play a
True.
little around, and now they couldn't go out, they couldn't play. House was limited with the toys. They were just limited to the boring toys that they already are acquainted with. They
Yes.
never got anything new. So a lot of parent and child relationship concerns came. So many sorts of inquiries. As far as the people were facing their inner turmoil, those queries started happening, in short, I would say.
Oh, correct.
Yeah.
So all age groups and
Yeah.
almost all sorts of uh, people who
Yeah.
are suffering from stress, depression, all
True,
sorts of
true.
inquiries. You multiple kind of
True, as
different
I said,
varieties of inquiries.
multiple,
Ah,
starting from children to the teenage ones. I got so many inquiries related to teenage thing, that we are not able to go to college, what next to do from career point of view, from the point of view that now we wish to do something which is online, at least an internship, at least
mm,
something. So there were
correct.
many sorts of inquiries. And till the time the people are corporate people, or they're doing a job and then they are feeling bad, that what needs to be now done, they're getting less cash or less money or less, I mean, anything.
Right.
And even the resources that they have to manage, they have to bear the whole family on their salary, and they're not getting full one. So there were many realistic concerns people brought in this pandemic, and I guess being empathetically available with them was the most strongest thing
Yes.
as a psychologist I have also done. And all the psychologists on the people I know and who had been there, they had been doing. So
Correct.
there were so many I would say the helpline numbers that were generated specifically in pandemic. That was the main reason altogether, so that all sorts of age group people can anytime call on helpline number and take as much suggestions as they can.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I think during this specific lockdown, there were a lot of challenges, but simultaneously there were a lot of options also available uh, from different fraternity, whether they are doctors, whether they are psychologists. They all
Hmm.
came up with different kind of innovative ideas and how they can help people. Even
True,
if
true,
they are
true.
not their clients or patients.
Yeah,
So generally
right.
psychologists they counsel one on one, right? मतलब घंटों बैठते हैं, बातें करते हैं, समझते हैं, माइंड मैपिंग होता है और वैसे. So how did you counsel your clients? And I'm sure आपने ऑनलाइन तो इतने नहीं किए होंगे पहले. So how did you manage?
Actually, due to certain reasons. Yeah. So, actually, as far as you also know, that I relocated to Chandigarh because my hometown is Delhi, right?
Okay.
So there were certain amount of clients who already knew me back then in Delhi, and they wished to continue sessions online. So I
Hmm.
was pretty much acquainted and comfortable with online mode as I was doing before
Oh,
lockdown. I
that's
already
great.
shared.
Correct.
So that was pretty much not a very big change on my end, but I
Hmm.
totally agree that the ones who were used to face to
Hmm.
face, right?
Correct.
The clients I had in Chandigarh who were used to face,
Hmm.
they took a little much time, they took time to adjust to the fact that face to face, uske bajaye online karni hai ya nahi karna hai.
हाँ.
Also, there were certain clients of mine who couldn't do it, they couldn't, continue. They had to pause it because now for them the safe space was not anymore available, and that safe space that they had with the counselor in a very neutral place, not their home, not
Right.
anybody's home, but a neutral space, that was gone. So that brought a lot of pressure on the client's head also, that now how will we vent it out, how will we be able to not get the worry back in our head that somebody at our home is listening to us and our pains. Because at the same time, all the parents or all the people in the home, they
Yeah.
tend to get that what our child is speaking, what exactly they have within, they wish to know from other point of view.
Correct.
Sometimes it creates a very question mark on a safe space. So that was it. So I guess there were a lot many types of clients having a lot of different challenges, and those challenges became automatically part of our challenge as a psychologist. So we had to keep them, giving those tips how to cope up with this reality, and then sooner or later get back to the track and continue with the session. That was pretty much it.
And where you say venting, it becomes very important for each individual, to at one point of time to just vent out, just speak
Hmm.
out to somebody, irrespective whether they are in a lockdown situation or not. So, did you ever had any challenging clients during this pandemic? And if so, how did you deal?
Yeah, so that was. Thank you for asking this amazing question, though, because I feel all the people out there, they feel that psychologists are, somebody who do not get afraid or do not get the emotions of challenging feeling or tough feeling. They're so acquainted with so many tools that they are easily always going in their life.
No, it
So I
is
just wish
not
to give
that much.
across this meaning. I wish to give across this meaning that try to understand that we psychologists are also individuals, and we also face equal importance and responsibility when we are facing such challenging parts of an
Yes, I'm
individual's
sure.
life.
Correct.
It because at the same time, when you are saying we are able to deal with our life, we are able to deal with the client's life because we are empathizing with them,
Yeah.
we are almost living the pain with them, and yet managing it all together by being trained enough so that
Hmm.
we don't get dwelled in it, right? So there was this one incident that happened in this pandemic
Hmm.
where one of the client that basically I'll just give little of understanding because
Yes.
we
Yes.
after because of the confidentiality we cannot give the details.
True.
So there was this client X that approached me in January,
Hmm.
right? So she had her own reasons because of which she couldn't continue, as she came with a result orientation point of view and very much urged that things must happen very quickly. Just like a medicine work, psychological intervention will also.
Right.
So, with due understanding, she went on a pause after January.
Okay.
And I always understood the client because we psychologists know that psychological intervention takes time. and every individual takes time to accept this whole reality that it's
Yes.
not a medicine that
Correct.
will go inside and suddenly will show the
Huh.
result. It's not happening that way. So we tend to understand and we gave time. So I also gave one. So she reappeared in this lockdown.
Hmm.
And she had certain areas where she had to deal with her body image, her self image, her confidence concern, her esteem issues, even the thing that she always wanted to, she was not happy living her own life. So in
Okay.
short, I would rather say that she had some, suicidal concerns or something, but she never tried one. But she always used to feel, as we all feel at this end of the day, कि हमारे से अब नहीं हो रहा है जिंदगी, बस खत्म कर दो.
बस खत्म.
हम करना नहीं चाहते हैं, but
हाँ.
खत्म कर दो. जिंदगी मत करो, but मेरी परेशानी खत्म कर दो. Just like she had, but it was not suicidal though. But she had those thoughts very
Thoughts.
strong enough. So due to having that online understanding and then connecting to the fact that how the client revolved, evolved, understood everything that was done online with that connect that I tried my level best to maintain even on online,
Okay.
she went, she came out of this whole thing.
Wow.
She started coming out of it. And that was the most important challenge also for me, and altogether a victory also, because she started realizing her reality over the thoughts that always traumatized her, the thoughts that she got feeded from the reality or from other people around her.
Right.
So she started figuring out what is her reality instead of the things told to her. And that was a big challenge, because at the end of the day, the client have the opportunity to share everything with the counselor, no matter what they think, what they are having within, without feeling being judged. I guess that's the most beautiful luxury any human can have in this whole
True.
world, I guess. So that was pretty much it. Yeah.
And Swati, I think, there is one more challenge. Not a challenge, I think it's more of a taboo. Uh, Irrespective of pandemic situation is there or not, a person, whenever is approaching a psychologist, उसको लगे या नहीं लगे, पूरे जहां को तो ऐसे लगेगा कि ये तो पागल है. That that particular person is
True, true.
approaching a psychologist. So why is that?
Psychologist.
Psychologist. So why, can you just give some
See,
thoughts?
I'll give you, yeah. I'll give you a very clear answer of this in very short form and even with the example, so that after that people will start accepting
Yes.
that being pagal is all right. Okay. So what happens is that the psychology, as we have studied in history, that psychology को पहले ऐसे लिया जाता था कि brain में कुछ issue है, उस brain को
हाँ.
सही करा है, and then वो हो गया.
Hmm.
And then people have started associating the whole fact कि brain से कुछ जुड़ा है, and then इंसान ने कुछ भी बोलना शुरू कर दिया तो वो पागल हो गया. Now the pagal came with the brain thing, and brain thing came with the pagal thing,
पागल
and then together they created a whole story
तो
कि जो
पागलपन.
psychology का issue है वो
हाँ,
पागल ही है.
पागल ही है.
तो जो भी psychology का नाम लेगा वो पागलों का काम करता है.
Exactly.
तो technically वो automatically definition associate होगी, जबकि उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं, क्योंकि brain में nerves भी होती है तो neurological disorders भी होते हैं.
हाँ.
Brain में अगर chemical का होता है तो chemical भी concerns होते हैं. There are many things to brain, right? If we come
Correct.
to the science level. बट वो सब साइंस एक तरफ हो गई, वो सिर्फ ब्रेन से ये आ गया कि ब्रेन में अगर कोई इशू हो गया और वो इंसान कुछ भी बड़बड़ाने लग गया तो वो पागल है. तो
सही.
पागल और ब्रेन, अब जो भी कोई बोलेगा कि मैं दिमाग के डॉक्टर के पास जा रहा हूँ, मतलब तुम पागल हो.
सही है.
नाउ यू गॉट दैट. सो अब मैं इस चीज को थोड़ा सा एक और एसोसिएशन बना रही हूँ, क्योंकि वी ऑल वर्क ऑन एसोसिएशन, जैसे
Correct.
जैसा सुनते हैं वैसे वैसे ही आगे बढ़ा देते हैं
आगे बढ़ते
जनरेशन
हैं.
टू
हाँ.
जनरेशन. तो आज हम एक और नया सेट करते हैं एसोसिएशन, उससे शायद आगे के जनरेशन का कुछ भला हो जाए. लेट्स ट्राई एट आवर बिट.
True.
So what happened was, I went in one interview and they asked me that what is, tell us something about yourself.
Hmm.
So I said very clearly, see, I'm a very crazy person, okay? When it comes to my work, I love psychology. I love understanding people. I love being with them, listening to them,
Right.
maybe, bringing so many tools so that they achieve their own self-esteem, their self-confidence, and their own self, in short, the true nature of self, right?
True.
And I'm pretty much very confident about this aspect of me, that I'm fully crazy about psychology and uplifting human world, right? And if you wish to hire me, then be prepared for the same. That because your school is gonna be like uplifted like anything. And if you want that, then I'm here. If you don't want that, I might go out, because then you won't be able to handle me. So
Correct.
they automatically said, yeah, we definitely want a crazy person only, because we want our kids to feel better about themselves, right?
Correct.
And that's how I got that job.
तो
So now
पागलपन
what
भी
I'm trying
जरूरी
to
है.
say is, पागल है, अगर हम पागल नहीं होंगे अपनी जिंदगी के लिए, अगर आइंस्टाइन पागल नहीं हुआ था तो इन्वेंशन नहीं करता, अगर स्टीव जॉब पागल नहीं हुआ था, यू नो क्रेजी नहीं हुआ था, पैशनेट नहीं हुआ था, तो एप्पल नहीं बनता. तो a certain amount of dedication is these days the beautiful aspect of पागलपन. तो आज के बाद हम पागलपन को डेडिकेशन में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. तो एक एसोसिएशन हम ये न्यू क्रिएट कर रहे हैं इस यूट्यूब सीरीज के थ्रू. सो आई गेस दिस इज द मैसेज टू द वर्ल्ड कि अब वो ब्रेन और पागलपन ना, ब्रेन में कुछ भी होगा, ऑब्वियसली कुछ तो होगा, तो पागलपन अगर छाया तो कुछ आंसर भी आएगा. तो उस पागलपन को हम अपने बेस्ट यूज के लिए यूज करते हैं, उसको डेडिकेशन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, एंड लेट्स प्रोड्यूस द रिजल्ट्स व्हिच आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर सेल्फ एंड द सोसाइटी.
करेक्ट. So just on a lighter note, you know, जैसे I am a South Indian, right? अब जैसे ही वो सुनेंगे साउथ इंडियन तो सबसे पहले वो तमिलियन, अच्छा आप तमिल हो, वो चाहे केरला से हो तो भी बोलेगा आप तमिल हो, मतलब तमिल साउथ इंडियन. वैसे ये पागल, पागलपन, साइकोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर सबको एसोसिएट कर लेते हैं. दे मेक परसेप्शंस एंड देन दैट्स हाउ यू नो पीपल स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग डिफरेंट टैबूज which directly or indirectly affects the entire society, in fact.
True. That's how shoulds and must have arisen somehow in our life.
True. And talking about celebrities, you know, since we are discussing such an important subject with you today, you know, there are a lot of, it's a history like Marilyn Monroe, Guru Dutt, for that matter, so many celebrities, they committed suicide during this pandemic. Recently, the Bhojpuri actress Anupama Pathak, she committed suicide. There is a still mystery which is going on in India about whether Sushant committed a suicide or was that
it's still a controversial thing.
A controversial thing. So, what kind of you know mental stage a person would be, you know, to take such a dreadful step? क्या उनकी वो मनोस्थिति रही होगी या किस तरह की दुविधाएं रहती है कि कोई इंसान इतना बड़ा स्टेप ले लेता है?
See, suicide is a very personal and a very unique thing for everybody who has done it. I cannot really say that whatever A person who did suicide had been same to the B person, right? And suicide in itself is a very huge action. Even to commit one needs a lot of, not even strength I would say, but actually guts is something जो आज की टीनेज को कहते हैं ना, उनके लिए बहुत बढ़िया वर्ड है. I want to use guts. Why? क्योंकि टीनेज के बच्चे कहते हैं हमारे में बहुत गट्स है, हम तो सब करेंगे, बट सुसाइड नहीं करनी है, राइट? नहीं करनी है, राइट? सो ये बच्चे लोग ना एक एक वर्ड को ऐसे सुनते हैं, क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम लोग उस पोजीशन पे आ गए हैं कि हमें पता है अब हमारा एक वर्ड के 10 मीनिंग निकलेंगे. तो वी नो वेरी क्लियरली कि उस एक वर्ड को किस तरह से बोला जाए. सो इसीलिए गट्स तो नहीं कहूंगी, बट एक ऐसा एक्शन है जहां वो इमोशंस जो हैं एक पर्टिकुलर इंसान के, वो इतने ज्यादा हो जाते हैं कि वो देख ही नहीं पाता उसके अलावा और कुछ भी, अपने आप को भी नहीं. ये एक बहुत ही डिप्रेसिंग, एक बहुत ही आई वुड से क्लोज्ड लुक है लाइफ का, जब एक इंसान को कोई होप दिखती ही नहीं. तो मैं नहीं कह सकती कि उनके रीजंस क्या होंगे, क्योंकि मैं कभी उनसे मिली नहीं. बट हाँ, ये जरूर कह सकती हूँ कि जो क्लाइंट्स मेरे पास आते हैं, अगर वो ये कुछ शेयर करते हैं कि हाँ हमें मन नहीं कर रहा जिंदगी जीने का, तो उनका एक रीजन होता है, वो तुले हुए हैं शूड्स एंड ऑट्स एंड वांट्स में. वो करना कुछ चाहते हैं और कर कुछ और रहे हैं. वो करना शायद चाहते हैं अपनी जिंदगी में कुछ और वो कर इसलिए रहे हैं क्योंकि दुनिया कह रही है कि यही करना है,
करो आप.
That means these all the things are should. अगर तुम ये करोगे तो तुम आइडियल सन, आइडियल डॉटर, आइडियल फ्रेंड, आइडियल हस्बैंड, आइडियल वाइफ बन जाओगे. लेकिन ट्रूली एक इंसान क्या करना चाहता है उससे तो कोई पूछ ही नहीं रहा है. इसीलिए आई गेट डाउन टू वेरी क्लियर कंक्लूजन कि सुसाइड अल्टीमेटम कुछ लोगों ने बना दिया because of their own actions. But I still, through this YouTube series, I'm telling you, there's still hope. There is still somebody in this, you know, on this planet you can still talk to. You have psychologists, right? If you have any concern, get back to me with the answer. Get back to me with the question. I'll share with the other counselors if that is not my expertise area. At least you'll get a person where you can vent it out.
सही है.
There are helpline numbers which are not chargeable.
Correct.
Connect to
They are
those
free of cost.
helpline
Correct.
numbers.
Yes.
People, yeah, and psychologists are there building that help, right? Because we are trained. And the helpline numbers, why they are free, there's a reason. Because it is happening on mass level, and psychologists, the trained psychologist, is given certain amount from hospital side to attend those. Because then in that case there are other areas, right? We are trained, so every person, the doctor who gets mbbs, they are trained, they get money for it, right, when they provide a
Correct.
service.
True.
Same is happening for psychologists and any other professional person, so
Right.
nothing can be unpaid. But yes, how much can be paid, how much not, this is the question. So suicide is not an answer. Probably it is one of the most important sign that if you have started feeling, watch out, that you need to reach out. Don't ignore that sign, right? If you're feeling that you're not able to vent out, go talk it out. That's one message I would say. And there is absolutely no reason to do suicide, because at the end of the day, we all humans, अगर कभी आ भी रहा है ना ये सवाल अपने अंदर, the people who are looking and listening to this, do one thing. Just make two columns, ask yourself, what do I truly want to do? And what are the things I should be doing? वो
Correct.
शुड के जितने आते रहेंगे ना, उसको कन्वर्ट इट इनटू वांट,
Want.
वेदर यू विश टू डू और नॉट, आंसर मिल जाएगा कि ये जो मैं कर रहा हूँ ये मुझे करना नहीं है, ये मैं बस करता जा रहा हूँ. तो अब अपने आप से पूछो, उसको अगर करना है और रियलिटी कह रही है कि हाँ यार करने की जरूरत है, तो कन्वर्ट इट इनटू वांट, कि व्हाई डू यू वांट टू, तो ऑटोमेटिकली आंसर आ जाएगा कि रियलिटी ये है कि अभी मुझे करना है, तो वो मेरी चॉइस है. तो नाउ शुड से ऑटोमेटिकली वो मेरी चॉइस बन गई क्योंकि रियलिटी ये कह रही है, बात खत्म. So there are certain tools we can practice and we can reach out. But suicide, definitely not an answer. You can reach out. So before you reach there, reach here. That's I will say.
Correct. So I think, in the beginning of our conversation only, you very rightly said, कि हम आते ही अकेले और जाते भी अकेले हैं. तो सारे
True.
solutions भी हमारे पास ही होते हैं. Problems of course हम ही create करते हैं. आसपास के लोग शायद उसमें कुछ थोड़ा बहुत प्लस माइनस कर सकते हैं, बट आखिर सॉल्यूशन तो हमारे पास ही होता है. अगर आप वो वांट्स, नीड्स, शुड्स, मस्ट का एक डेली एक चार्ट बनाएं, उसमें से आप कौन से कॉलम में कितना कंट्रीब्यूट करके उस स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन से
Concern को address कर पा रहे हैं.
बाहर आओ, वो शायद इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है. और जहाँ तक आई थिंक ये लॉकडाउन में जो सुसाइड्स है, दे आर मोर ऑफ lot of suppressed emotions where you're not able to reach out to people, and specifically celebrities, they may or they may not be willing to do so, could be. So what is the methodology which you use as a teacher?
And it's something which is much of a necessity these days for celebrities also.
Yes, correct. True.
How to show their image to the world. I guess.
Right.
Priyanka? Yeah.
So
in that particular case, sometimes what happens is that, no, I lost my network, I guess, in a minute. That's why I was confirming. So in that particular aspect of showing that image, sometimes they lose on their real, right? And there are certain actresses who have worked on their inner self, considering Deepika Padukone and many other, who have actually dealt with a lot of those areas of mental health, and they came out and they're still, progressing slowly and gradually.
Absolutely.
So the idea is not to lose the hope, instead reach it out, instead talk it out, find an answer. If you are not getting a hope, find one for yourself. That's what I'll say, in short.
Correct. So what kind of methods do you use while treating a client? So most of your clients are you would be taking online sessions and all. So what kind of method do you use?
Methodology is methodology which is very unique. I won't say that one methodology works for every client. No, not at all. Even the tools which are happening, even if there are maybe two tools that I might feel that two different individuals might require it, but then becomes the question whether these tools, right, for example, A person has been given A tool, that A tool might be required by B person, but not at that stage where the A person got. So the methodology works around as and more the client become acceptable towards their own self.
Correct.
So there is one basic methodology I work with. So it is basically the whole process of psychology that I explain in 3 words, right? So I always say the first post, there are 3 A's, the most important A's of life. It's awareness, right? First of all, if you don't have an understanding and awareness of what are your concerns, you won't be able to reach to action. The whole world is getting this thing कि हमें कुछ आंसर दे दो, हमें कुछ एक्शन करना है, हमें कुछ जिंदगी में चेंज लाना है. चेंज लाने के लिए पता होना चाहिए चेंज लाना क्यों है. तो पहले तो सवाल करिए अपने आप से, उसके लिए टूल्स हैं. तो पहला बेसिक मेन पार्ट है अवेयरनेस. उसके बाद आता है अब जो करना है कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उसको एक्सेप्ट तो करिए. उसके साथ जो रियलिटी के पार्ट्स आ रहे हैं, रियलिटी भी तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है, तो उसको एक्सेप्ट करिए. अपनी रियलिटी एक्सेप्ट करिए, आप किस जगह से आ रहे हैं. लोग कहते हैं हम मिडिल क्लास है, हमें रिच बनना है. वो अभी परेशान है अपने मिडिल क्लास होने से, और वो देखते हैं रिच वालों को, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, सडनली सारा जिंदगी का प्रेशर वहीं आ जाता है. यार ये लोग अपनी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं, मैं कहाँ हूँ. तो तुम अपने आप से एक बार ये पूछ लो कि तुम्हारी अवेयरनेस, तुम्हारी रियलिटी क्या है. पहले तो अवेयर हो जाओ, फिर उसको एक्सेप्ट करो कि हाँ मेरी जिंदगी में मैं पहले 5 रुपए कमाता था, आज 5,000 कमा रहा हूँ, ये मेरी रियलिटी है. उस इंसान की जिसको आप देख रहे हो शायद वो 5,000 से शुरू हो गया, आज 5 लाख पे पहुंचे, बट तुम भी तो वहीं पहुंचे हो. टेक्निकली तुमने भी ग्रो किया, बट हम छोड़ गए, हमने अवेयरनेस नहीं रखी, हमने बस कंपेयर कर लिया. तो कंपैरिजन भी तो सेम लोगों के साथ होता है ना, सिमिलर ग्राउंड्स पे. तुम उसके साथ सिमिलर नहीं हो सकते, ना तुम्हारे एक्सपीरियंसेस सिमिलर, ना तुम्हारी जिंदगी की कहानी. तो कंपैरिजन साइड. तो पहले अवेयर हो जाओ, फिर एक्सेप्ट कर लो. ऑटोमेटिकली जिस दिन एक्सेप्ट कर लो कि हाँ ये मेरी रियलिटी है, मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ, ये नहीं, एक्शन आ ही नहीं जाएगा अपने आप. तो तीसरा स्टेप अपने आप हो जाता है एक्शन. सो आई वर्क ऑन दिस बेसिक मेथोडोलॉजी. इस बेसिक मेथोडोलॉजी को कंप्लीट होने में क्लाइंट टू क्लाइंट डिपेंड करता है कब काम होगा. एंड देन स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली एज एंड व्हेन दे रिक्वायर अवेयरनेस. समटाइम टेक्स 6 months, समटाइम इट टेक्स 1 year. क्लाइंट को अवेयरनेस आने में ही टाइम लगता है, क्योंकि इतने हार्श एक्सपीरियंसेस भी होते हैं. So every client takes their own time, but हाँ basic methodology of completion of psychological intervention, I guess वो मैं 3 levels पे यही देखती हूँ: awareness, acceptance, and action.
That's something very nice which we all came to know, that is awareness, action, and acceptance. Very important. Irrespective, if somebody is approaching you or not, but for each individual it is.
That's why I'm giving these tips, so that at least the people who cannot afford right now, at least this series, at least they can benefit themselves.
And I think that is the only concept of which I thought of, launching such kind of series where, we can, I can bring such people who can, talk about all the smallest topics. So, as a counseling psychologist,
you're doing a commendable job.
Thank you so much. What piece of guidance you would like to give each one of us? How do we maintain a strong and stable health, mental health?
Okay. So, one of the most important and very beautiful, I would say, example form of thing I'll share, that जिंदगी में जब हमें भूख लगती है, I'll repeat this example, इसका लेसन कुछ और है, ठीक है? जब भूख लगती है तो खाना सामने होता है तो हमें मन करता है सब खा लें, क्योंकि हम अंदर से इनकम्प्लीट है. लेकिन जब हम खुद भरे होते हैं तो सामने कुछ भी आ जाए, भूख नहीं लगती, खाने का मन नहीं करता. अग्री?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो अब जिंदगी में, अब इसको हम इमेजिन करते हैं इस तरह से कि हमारी जिंदगी में जो जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हो रहे हैं, अगर तो वो हमको ट्रिगर कर गए, हमें परेशान कर रहे हैं, तो उसका कहीं ना कहीं रूट अपने अंदर ही है. क्योंकि गीता में एक ही चीज कही है, सारी चीजें अंदर ही हैं, जवाब भी अंदर है, सवाल भी अंदर है, और जो आसपास सामने दिख रहा है वो सब कुछ सिखा रहा है तुमको. तो आई वर्क ऑन दिस फंक्शन ऑनेस्टली इन माई लाइफ, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई एम realistic in my life, and at the same time hopeful about it. So I always say Swati Sadhana is equals to realistically hopeful person. Good. Because I grow with reality and keep my hope intact. Hope of what? Hope of that whatever I wish to do, at the end of the day I'll do it. I will do it. Reality is very important. क्योंकि हम जिद्दी तो नहीं हो सकते ना कि करना है करना करना है. रियलिटी कह रही है अभी नहीं हो सकता, तो उसके पीछे पड़ जाओगे तो फिर प्रेशर. तो रियलिटी क्या है? रियलिटी है कि अभी जितना है उतने को देखो, उसमें जो कर सकते हो उतना को करो, और उसमें खुश अपने आप हो जाओगे. लेकिन रियलिटी को पुश करोगे, वक्त के साथ छेड़खानी करोगे. वक्त कह रहा है अभी मैं 10 हूँ, तो 10 को 10 नहीं कर सकते हम, 10 को 10 पे ही रह सकते हैं. तो 10 के साथ पहले खुश रहना सीखो, तो वो रियलिटी के साथ एक्सेप्ट करना सीखो, और फिर होप में जाओ। तो हर एक इंसिडेंट इन योर लाइफ, मैं समझ सकती हूँ इंसिडेंट्स हमें शेक करते हैं, मुझे भी किया, आई ऑल्सो ग्रो विद इट। सबकॉन्शियसली हम सबकी आवाजें बन जाती हैं वो जिंदगी की,
हाँ,
डाउट बन जाता है हमारी जिंदगी का कि हम अपने आप से पूछते हैं कि हम कर सकते हैं या नहीं।
कर सकते हैं।
बट मैं कह रही हूँ उस मोमेंट जिस टाइम ये सेल्फ डाउट आया, अपने आप से एक और सवाल कर लो। हाँ, ये सवाल तो आ रहे हैं, ये बड़ी सारी आवाजें आ रही है मेरे अंदर, फेमस, तू नहीं कर सकता, तू बेकार है, तू खता है, तू इडियट है। सिर्फ एक सवाल पूछ लो, करना चाहते हो? अगर हाँ आ गई ना तो कर डालो, फिर सवाल ना पूछो,
हाँ,
फिर सेकंड थॉट की मत सुनो, फिर कर दो, क्योंकि फिर
कर।
उस टाइम जो तुम कर जाओगे ना वो एक्चुअली में तुम्हारी रियलिटी है। So that's a message I will give, that everything which is happening around you is a reflection of what you are facing within. Every lesson, every experience is teaching you something. So take it as a lesson, learn from it, क्योंकि नहीं सीखोगे तो वो दोबारा धमाका डबल में आएगा ही आएगा, क्योंकि हम यहाँ यही करने आए हैं।
करेक्ट,
डबल इफेक्ट के साथ, एक बार फेल हो जाता है तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट, वो जो हमारा क्या कहते थे, हमारा कंपार्टमेंट आ जाता है, तो डबल प्रेशर आता था ना। तो वही बात है जिंदगी की कि वो डबल प्रेशर आएगा, क्योंकि वो हमें सिखाना चाहती है जिंदगी, ग्रो कराना चाहती है। और किसने कहा था कि धरती पे आओगे तो बिल्कुल ही स्ट्रेट लाइन होगी? स्ट्रेट लाइन तो कार्डियोग्राम पे भी यही कहा जाता है कि लाइफलेस है, तो हम लाइफलेस तो नहीं है ना। we are still living. So up and down is a reality of life. So stop feeling that other person is not having any up and down, क्योंकि दुनिया में ऐसा कोई नहीं है जिसकी जिंदगी में अप डाउन नहीं है। अगर फाइनेंशियल फ्रंट पे नहीं है तो इमोशनल पे होगा, इमोशनल पे नहीं है तो हेल्थ पे होगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ना, क्योंकि वो ग्रो करने आया। और जिस दिन कुछ नहीं होगा ना उस दिन फिर लाइफलेस ही होगा वो, इट इज होल। So stop comparing yourself, start accepting your experiences as reality, which is trying to teach you something. Become a little introspective, spend some time with yourself, reach out to your reality, start valuing your reality, and at the same time keep dreaming and keep asking yourself what you truly want to do.
Correct.
Even after accepting the shoulds and haves that being feeded to all of us, because I am also part of you, so don't worry, I'm against. No, I am also part of the whole society. I also had been feeded, but the only difference is I started asking myself what I want to do. So you can also start, and then maybe you can reach there.
True. So, Swati, on which social media platforms are you available? If any of a viewer or a listener wants to get in touch with you, where can we get in touch with you?
So professionally, I handle all the inquiries at my Gmail ID, which I have already shared with you, Priyanka. So probably you can share in the description along. It's swatisadana21@gmail.com. Swati with double E, so it's SWATEESADANA21@gmail.com. So they can send in their queries at that place. Right. And thereafter, all the inquiries that I've shared with you, you can probably share in the description so that they can connect.
I will do that. As such, so I would just like to talk to you on and on this subject, because psychology is something which even I love, and I think I'm sure each one of us who is viewing this would love to listen and see. With all the conversation till now I understand what mental health needs is more sunlight, more candor, more unshamed conversations, openness, and very important, receptiveness to new changes. जो शायद कहीं ना कहीं हम सब कभी ना कभी भूल जाते हैं, पता होता है फिर भी नहीं कर पाते हैं. And Swati, I think you did it fabulously, and you are still doing it with so many. Whosoever is approaching you as clients, you are helping them out with so much of love, care, and support by counseling them. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि डॉक्टर्स तो बीमारी का इलाज कर लेते हैं, बट साइकोलॉजिस्ट लाइक यू मरीज का इलाज करते हैं. और अगर मरीज का इलाज हो गया ना तो अब इलाज बीमारी का तो अपने आप ही हो जाता है.
So I would like to say one thing.
Yes.
On this part, मरीज वाला पार्ट जो है, so I always wanted to say कि अगर वो मरीज हैं जो मेरे पास आ रहे हैं तो क्या कम मैं मरीज कम हूँ? At the end of the day हम सारे के सारे हैं जिस इस एरिया में दबे हुए हैं. हाँ, मैं निकल पाई हूँ और मैं ट्रेंड हूँ of course to do certain things with the neutral aspect. जो चीज हमारे शायद फैमिली वाले भी नहीं कर पाते, क्योंकि उनके लिए हम रिश्ता है हमारा. तो
Yes.
रिश्ते को एक प्रोफेशनल रिश्ता जो न्यूट्रल होता है, बस
हाँ जी.
यही एक डिफरेंस है जो हमने ट्रेनिंग के थ्रू किया है.
Correct.
We are able to hear a person without emotional connect to it.
Correct.
I would say the emotional, dependence on it, because हमारा कोई background पीछे का नहीं आ रहा है. हम
हाँ.
empathetically उसको समझ पा रहे हैं, हम उसकी पेन को फील कर पा रहे हैं from neutral aspect. और वो
Correct.
चाहे हमें कुछ भी बात करे, चाहे वो उसकी अब्यूज की बात हो या उसकी जिंदगी के किसी भी उतार चढ़ाव की बात हो, वो हम उसको न्यूट्रली ले रहे हैं क्योंकि हम जानते हैं कोई परफेक्ट नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो वो मरीज नहीं, वो एक ब्यूटीफुल इंसान है. आई टेक इट दैट वे. So yeah, every human is a beautiful human and we all go through ups and downs. It's
Correct.
just that we are available as psychologists to hear you out on a neutral, judgmental free zone, no matter it's offline or online route.
True.
That's
True. We had
yeah.
so much of learning and knowing from you, Swati, all the way from Chandigarh. Thanks a lot for being a part of this episode, and I'm really glad that I could get you onto this episode and specifically to talk about such a sensitive topic.
Yeah, thank you so much for having me. It was such a great pleasure, honestly, because during this pandemic, apart from all the psychological services I had been doing personally from my end, most of the Instagram lives and everything, so
Right.
that as many people who cannot afford it at
Correct.
least can benefit themselves to take care of them. Because
True.
at the end of the day, we all are humane, we are one. We are one. If we truly see it, we are totally one as
Correct.
together.
Correct.
So if one is getting impacted, at least as a human, we all, can do. And I want to do. So forget about ought to do or should do. I am saying I want to do. I can do and I want to do as much as I can possibly. And of course, for in-depth understanding and for different intervention, they can of course reach up for professional services on my particular item.
Correct, correct. So I think even I am with you on the same journey. The platform is different. You are
True.
probably reaching out to people as a psychologist, and I am reaching out to different people from different genre through this
True.
series. So thank you so much, Swati, for being on this episode of Lock Unlock series. So that's it from me and Swati. Thank you so much. Namaste from me and Swati once again. Until we meet next, stay safe and stay connected. Thank you.